In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tasks in Google Calendar. We'll focus on the desktop web version because it gives you the most control and makes it easier to organize everything in one place. By the end, you'll know how to show your tasks on the calendar, create them in a few different ways, and use the newer time blocking options to protect your focus time. First, let's make sure Tasks is visible. Look at the left-hand sidebar under My Calendars and check the box next to Tasks. If you don't see the sidebar, click the three-line menu in the top left to expand it. Turning on this view overlays your tasks on the same calendar grid as your events, so you can see what's on your plate at a glance. It keeps everything private to you unless you choose to share your calendar more broadly, and it's great for visual planning. Now, let's create a task directly on the calendar. Click any empty time slot and choose task instead of event. This is perfect when you already know when you want to work on something. Give the task a clear title so it's recognizable, and add any details you need to remember. Selecting task rather than event keeps it lightweight and easy to check off when you're done. If you prefer, you can also use the Create button in the top left. Click Create, then select Task. This method is quick when you're adding several items at once, and it works well for tasks that might not require a specific time yet. You can always add dates and times later as your schedule firms up. There's another handy option on the right side of the screen. Click the Tasks icon, the blue check mark, to open your full task list. From there, click Add a Task. This view is especially helpful when you're reviewing everything you've captured and want to keep related items grouped together. It's a clean way to draft tasks without switching away from your calendar. With the 2026 update, time blocking is even easier. When you create or edit a task, you can set a start date and time and choose a duration. This turns the task into a true block on your calendar, which makes your availability clearer and helps prevent others from booking over your deep work sessions. Give these blocks specific names like deep work for a report, choose realistic durations, and adjust as you go so your plan matches your energy and priorities. That's all you need to get started. Enable the tasks view, create tasks using whichever method fits your workflow, and use time blocking to protect the moments that matter.